Hello everyone. So in today's episode, I would like to discuss how Gen AI can enhance personalization, creativity, and efficiency by focusing on content creation and analysis via various KPIs. So the marketing industry is constantly evolving with many techniques and technologies daily. So one of the most promising development in recent times is the integration of generative AI into the marketing strategies. So instead of relying solely on the human analysis and intuitions, generative AI technology allows for greater creativity and effectiveness by harnessing the predictive abilities of machines, which are often superior than that of the humans. So this rapidly evolving technology has the potential to automate content creation, design and strategies through sophisticated algorithms of machine learning. So this technology enables companies to communicate with consumers more effectively and in environmentally conscious manners by leveraging AI-driven personalization. So let's discuss about some of the examples of how this work is advertising when promoting sustainability and circular economy principles. So firstly, imagine you love gardening and often search for organic fertilizers online. So AI system will analyze your online behavior and learn about its interest. So when an advertiser wants to promote an eco-friendly fertilizer, so AI creates a personalized ad just for you, highlighting the product's environmental benefits. So this means you are more likely to pay attention because it's all about something you care about. Similarly, thinking of group of people who are really into the recycling industry. So AI identifies these individuals based on your online activities. Maybe they read a lot of articles or recycling or follow eco-friendly brands. So advertisers can then specially target these groups with ads about products that make recycle easier, ensuring the ads reach the people more likely to be interested in them. So additionally, AI might notice a pattern also if you are buying many disposable water bottles. So next time it suggests a durable, reusable water bottle instead. So this recommendation is not random if it's totally based on your past behavior, aligning with reducing waste and supporting the circular economy. So furthermore, imagine browsing an online store for new coffee maker. So if the store uses AI-driven personalization, it might show you a coffee maker known for best energy efficient or made from recycled materials and explain how it helps reduce economical and environmental impact also. This make your journey or shopping experience feel more tailored to your personal interest and values. So an advertiser can use AI to monitor their eco-friendly campaign effectiveness also. So let's suppose they can see how many more people clicked on an ad for a sustainable product as compared to the standard one, or if there was an increase in the sale of green products after the campaign. So this data helps them to understand what works best in encouraging sustainable choices. So when a company consistently promotes sustainability through AI personalized advertisement, it sends strong messages about its value. So this can make customers more loyal to the brand, knowing it's sharing its commitment to the planet. So by using AI to create more personalized, relevant advertisement, businesses also can provide sustainable and circular economy more efficiently, which encourages consumers to make better environmental choices. So companies must be transparent and authentic in their environment-friendly efforts, as greenwashing can harm brand reputation. So being authentic and genuine commitment to sustainability is crucial nowadays. So AI in advertisement can do more than catching a consumer eye. It can inspire people to adopt a more sustainable life cycle and supporting reusing and recycling products also. So many brands are using their advertisements to show they care about the planet, which help to sell their products and encourages people to make eco-friendly choices. For example, if we talk about the Patagonia, they told people not to buy their jackets unless necessary. So indirectly they are promoting repairing old clothes instead. So matching their goals to lesser consumerism. Same way, IKEA aims to help people live more sustainable at home. They are showcasing their products made from renewable resources and energy efficient products and urging recycling. So Adidas also teamed up with Parley for Oceans to make footwear from recycled ocean plastic. So they are also focused on the importance of using recycled materials for the environment. So if we talk about the beauty products, like Dove also highlighted the importance of body positivity, while their focus is on sustainability, using sustainable source ingredients and reducing plastic packaging. Same way H&M, which is a organic cotton brand, they also launched a line using sustainable material like organic cotton and recycled polyester to reduce the fashion industry's environmental footprint. So this shows how brands are aligning their ads with the values of environmental conscious consumers that make a positive impact while promising their product also. So this approach seems to boost sales and foster a shift in consumer behavior towards more sustainable practices. So to promote sustainability, advertisers are using AI-based personalized ad to encourage greener choices. To analyze the effectiveness of these ads, several key indicators are examined. So these include conversion rates to see if people are actually buying co-friendly products, consumer engagement to gauge interest, then is purchase behavior and preferences to track buying habits, economical impact metrics to measure the positive impact on the environment and brand perception, and sentiment analysis also to understand the impact of the green advertising on people's thought and feelings. So finally, need to focus on the ROI also to calculate the financial benefits and long-term behavior change to determine last effects towards sustainability. So by using these indicators, advertisers can ensure that their investment in green advertising align with consumer values and bring about the most significant positive environment change.